Hi, Maria here from Beauty Junkies, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the green oval makeup sponge to apply concealer like a pro. Now before you get started, you're going to want to get the sponge damp. To do this, go ahead and run the sponge under water for just a moment, allowing the sponge to soak it all up, gently squeezing it a few times in between so that the sponge is fully soaked. Then remove it from the water and squeeze a few more times to wring out any excess water. Doing this helps the sponge to expand, become a little more soft, bouncy, and ready to use. You can see here the difference between the wet sponge and the dry sponge. Next, you're going to want to apply your concealer to any areas you need to conceal, like your dark under eye circles, any red spots, or blemishes. Then simply pounce the sponge over those areas to blend. The pointed edges of this sponge make it really perfect for getting precise application really close up under the eyes to the curves of your nose, and anywhere else you need just a little bit of coverage. Using a sponge for concealer helps for beautifully natural, flawless coverage. Because the sponge is double-ended, you can use one side for concealer, a liquid product, or even a cream product, and then you can use the other side with a powder product if you'd like to set your concealer. Using this sponge makes concealer application quick, easy, and gives you a flawless finish. And that's how you use the green oval makeup sponge from Beauty Junkies to apply concealer like a pro. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.